Sometimes you might need to export the data from your pivot table. Currently, we have the director on the first level, the genres that they have directed, and the revenue that that director has made in each of those genres. Let's say we wanted to export this to make new source data. If we tried copying and pasting this by highlighting the table, using Control C to copy, and then going over here and pasting values using Alt HVV, we see that it doesn't really work out too well because it says Steven Spielberg, and then it says the genres, and then it says the next director, Anthony Russo, and the genres, and then Christopher Nolan, and so on. This is where tabular form comes in. Let's go ahead and delete this table we just inserted using Control Z. To convert to tabular form, we go to Design, Report Layout, and then Show in Tabular Form. Then we go to Report Layout, repeat all item labels, and since we don't want the subtotals or totals here, let's turn off our grand totals and then turn off our subtotals. Now, if we try to do the same thing, copying this table and then going to the right of it and pasting values, we see that we now have really clean new source data that we could use for other things.